Okay, this is my bike. I just painted the frame, it's the same frame. I'll start from like the front and move back. Okay. G-Sport plastic peg. G-Sport the like gland whatever hub guard. It's a stock rim of an old bike that I traded a guy. I don't really know what rim it is. I think it has a salt hub, but that's all I really know about the wheel. Fit FAF 20 times 2.3. Love this tire. Simple Bikes Monarchy forks painted blue to match my blue Sunday forumph bars. Really tough bars. I like them. Really good. ODI long neck grips. I love them. I have an ODI bar end over here and metal kink bar end over here. I lost a zip tie on this end, but I'll have to put one so that it matches there. Stolen Vortex top cap. It's a stock kink whip 09 stem and headset. The frame is a black eye killorado 20.5 inch top tube that I just painted white. Just finished it. Looks so nice. Oh my goodness. Okay. Yeah, that gloss lost focus. Okay. Odyssey JC pedals. Really good pedals. I like them. They're holding up well. Nice and grippy. I don't like plastics. Primo powerbite. Got the tire in the bottom bracket to keep them from spinning. It's a where's my sprocket? Okay. Eastern Medusa sprocket, 25 tooth. It's really good for 20 bucks. I mean, I've had it forever. I don't have my chain on right now because I didn't want to get the bike all greasy. Same crank and pedal. I just got this. It's one of the animal pedals, like MK3 or something like that. I have that one, and then I have another one for the front, but I'm not putting it up there yet. I'm gonna have to test them out or something. FBM hub guard. This is Ted. He's beast. Oh, where's the crack on my rim? Right. Where's it at? Where's that? Oh, right here. You can't see it too well because the paint dust filled it in, but right here my rim's cracked. Luckily it hasn't broken on me completely yet though, but it's an Odyssey hazard light. Alienation Rush version 2. Freecoaster hub. I love the freecoaster hub. The axle nuts are stripped, so I need new axle nuts. I'll get them eventually. Demolition Monaco 20 times 2.20 or whatever. It's getting old. Kink Slim pivotal seat. The makeshift bolt for my integrated seat post clamp because it broke. And an alienation seat post painted blue. Is that everything? I think that's everything. So yeah, that's my bike. I like it. It's a beast. I have some footage with this bike check, but I don't want to ride it yet because I just got finished painting it, so I need to let the paint dry and all that stuff so that it stays longer. But I'm really liking the white paint job. It looks pretty smooth. I'm really pumped on it. Looks sweet. Okay, that's it. That's my paint station. Yeah, that's where I painted it. Okay, goodbye.